Hi, welcome to Sort 5, Adding ED to Words. Today we're going to look back at some of our past sorts when we added ing and some of those rules we discussed. So when you add ing to a word, there's certain things that happen to the base word. We're going to do the same thing today, but with the ed ending. I'm going to start by writing the word hopped. And the word hoped. Now I want to do is just look at the base word of each of these words. Here we have the word hopped, but when we added this ed ending, we noticed that the consonant in the middle of the word doubled. When you looked at hoped, the base word hope ends with an E. Therefore, when we added the ed ending, we needed to drop that original E. I'm going to pull down our category cards for this sort. We have double, which when we look at the word hop, when we added the ed ending, we doubled the consonants in the middle of the word. Then we have E drop. Here we had the base word hope, and we had to drop that original E to add the ed ending. And then we have a nothing category and even an oddball category. Let me get these out of here. And these are the words we just discussed. We have hopped and hoped. And now we're going to look at another word. Here we have the word joined. I'm going to cover up the ed ending and look at the base word. So we have the word join. Now when we added ed, we didn't do anything. We didn't double the consonant. We didn't drop the E. Well, there is no E at the end of join. So we're going to put that in our nothing category. Here we have the word nodded. So once again, I'm going to cover up my ed ending. I'm going to look at the base word of the word nodded. Feel free to underline the base word on your sort as well. And I notice that that consonant is also doubled. Therefore, it's going to go in the double category. Here. This causes some trouble in our classrooms. I notice this mistake happening often, but that's a glorious mistake. When we cover up the ed ending, our base word is the word pass. Although it does end with double consonants, we didn't have to double that consonant again to add the ed ending. Therefore, if the base word has the two consonants that are the same at the end, that's going to be a nothing. Well, nothing happened to the base word when we added the ed. Here we have the word lived. If we cover up, here's our base word, and there's a D added, so therefore the word live, we have an E at the end, so we have to drop that original E to add the ed ending. I want to give you one more example. Here's the base word is want. When we added the ed ending, we didn't do anything to the word, so that nothing happened to the base word. So here I'm noticing, I'll do one more just so we have enough. Here's the base word step. We had to double the consonant in the middle as well. So what I want you thinking about is when we're doubling the consonant in the middle of the word, is there a rule that each of these words follow? Same with the E drop and the nothing category. There's also going to be two oddballs in this category, and I think you'll be able to find them once you determine the rules for each of these. Okay, finish your sort, write it in your journal, and good luck. Be prepared to discuss your findings with your teammates.